Hi viewers, how are you? Hope that you are doing good, and I welcome you from the accountant's platform. Once again, I have brought a video for you regarding the bank reconciliation statement. I hope that you have enjoyed and you have found the part 1 of the bank reconciliation statement video very informative. In today's video, I will be guiding you on the major topics that were left in the video. The first one is step-by-step guide to prepare the bank reconciliation statement, and the next one is how often the bank reconciliation statement is performed. So we start with our step-by-step guide to prepare the bank reconciliation statement. Usually there are 9 steps involved in preparing a reconciliation statement. We will look on each and every step in detail. So here is our slide for your convenience. The first step in preparing the bank reconciliation statement is that you compare the opening balances of both cash book as well as the bank statement. There could be differences due to uncredited checks or unpresented checks from previous periods. So you must look onto them first. The second step is compare the credit side of the bank statement with debit side of the bank column of cash book and debit side of the bank statement with the credit side of the bank column of the cash book. The reason behind this practice is what we have in our bank ledger on the debit side is a credit entry on the on part of the bank, and what we have on the credit side in our bank ledger, that is posted by the bank on the debit side of the bank statement. So whenever you are comparing the both, your debit side will correspond to the credit side of the bank because it's a liability for the bank and it's an asset for you. Step 3 is analyze the entries both in the bank column of the cash book as well as passbook and look for entries which have been missed to be posted in the bank column of the cash book. Make a list of such entries, just write it down, and you can make the necessary adjustments in the cash book. You can check for any mistakes, errors, omissions in the cash book. Step 5 is you calculate the corrected and you must revise the balance of cash book's bank's column. Now you are ready to perform your bank reconciliations, and after you have updated your cash book balance. In step 7, you have to add back the unpresented checks that are issued by your business firm to your creditors, suppliers, vendors, but they are not presented for payment by the vendors till date. So just grab them and add it with your bank reconciliation statement with your cash book balance, and deduct the uncredited checks that are paid into the bank but you have no clue of that, or the bank statement has those checks in there but you haven't posted into your bank ledger. So you must deduct that checks from your calculation. Also, you can check the bank statement for any errors therein. You must adjust your bank account figures for any you can say bank charges or interest received or interest accrued. So you must make these adjustments in the bank ledger as well. Now it's time to reconcile both these adjusted figures, your bank ledger figure and your bank statement figure. The last step is the resultant figure must be equal to the balance as per bank statement. You can see from the slide there are these are the major steps involved in preparation of the bank reconciliation statement, starting right from the comparing opening balances of both cash book and bank statement, and ending on adding unpresent checks and deducting uncredited lodgements within the calculation you are performing. So we are done with it. Our next slide is how often the bank reconciliation is performed. So there is no such straight answer to it. that what the frequency of preparing the reconciliation will be, but usually and generally the accountants and the business firms, they are making and they are preparing the reconciliation statement on monthly basis, because the banks usually provide their users with account statements on periodic basis, that is monthly. So it's a regular process. It's not necessarily means that you should perform the bank reconciliation statement at month end. You can do it whenever you have the bank statement available. There are certain factors that determines the frequency of preparation of statements. Few of them are number of bank accounts that the business operates. The more bank accounts the business operates, the more difficult it will be for the business to perform the bank reconciliation statements. The second one is the intensity and volume of banking transaction. It may be the case that there are certain bank accounts in which the volume and intensity of the banking transactions are too high, so it will be very difficult to perform the bank reconciliation statement for certain bank accounts having such higher number of volume as compared to other bank accounts that has a lesser number of transactions there. The third one is the nature of bank account. It might be more risky to operate a foreign currency account as compared to a local currency account. There are foreign exchange gains or losses accruing to the foreign account, so it's very risky and very important to have a BRS once in a month for a foreign account. And the last one is availability of bank statement from banks. Usually banks are not accessible through digital form, so it is now very easy for businesses to extract their account statements in real time from the bank. So I don't think so that it will be any issue for the businesses to extract their bank statement, but still it's a factor, and in some countries it's still very difficult to collect the account statements from the banks. So this was all about the bank reconciliation statement, and I hope that it will have enough information for you to educate yourself and have a good knowledge of the bank reconciliation statement, and apply the phenomena and mechanism of bank reconciliation statement in practical life. With that, I hope you have enjoyed the video, and do subscribe to the channel if you haven't done already. Hit a like button if you like the video.